Now I'm going to show you my bullion stitch, which is the stitch I use to create my little pumpkins. Pumpkins are made of 3 of these stitches, one close to the other. So let's start with the first one. I came through the fabric and I came through it again just a little bit under from where I came out, this way. Now what I need to do is to spin the thread around the needle as many times to fill the part of fabric between the needle. We need to try to suppose it. I think this is the right number of spins I'm going to need. So I pull gently again, not too tight, the thread around the needle, and I go through the spins with all the thread this way. Now I gently pull the thread this way. I pull and close the stitch, and I came through the fabric again with the needle this way. This is the first bullion stitch, the middle one, which I need to recreate the pumpkins. I can show you also the side one, because I love to do it a little bit smaller than the middle one. So I came out this way, I go through this way, and I will need less spins this times around the needle. Pull it gently, go through the fabrics, and this is the side stitch of the little pumpkin. Just another one on the other side, and your little pumpkin, it will be made.